Inside. I called to it. Inside. I called to it. Inside. Ish. Are you watch it? Get in. Inside. Inside. I'm a ride away the wrong gate. Gentle cut inside. Are the name motion? I called to it. Should have a temporary suit. Temporary suit. What do you mean? What is a temporary suit? I'd rather be smoking me. Funa mabi, funa neutral. Taboo. They said I got all the one side screen here now. Like those clip-on suits. Those clip-on. Clip-on suits. Good luck. Answer if it's. Kill a well at the good luck. Kill a well at the good luck. Say. You got a level. It's fun. Carry level. Say. Thank you for the Google Lags. The Google Lags. Thank you for the Google Lags. Ish. Again, just screen because didn't in a crash. Go by the good lag at Levan. Go by the good lag at Levan. General good lag. Kilabala the good lag. The good lag at Levan. Go by the good lag at Levan. Levan. Kilabala the good lag. Iram, man. I try when I at home. I'm going to GTA. She was going to be a little sweet. Those are not GTA. Those are not the out and yeah. Apartment का नहीं भाई. क्या खो? किचन जगह idea पर भाई. कौन सी जगह पर होगा? काम है. ना वो बन. कौन सी जगह पर होगा? क्या कौन आ? वो ले बन. You. Lembuza. Cabo. 2 minutes. ngikhoto bani, nari ngikhoto bani. Hey, sorry chat. Askisi. Askisi chat. Are ngikhoto. I'd rather be smoking weed. Hayi silonke nala apartment hayi. Dilo makhaba city. Re ke ire so. Ke bathatse fini. Bentley guy. Where's the Bentley? Where's the Bentley? Bentley Ben Tiger. Bentley cool. Bentley cool. Hey, go garage. Wrong way.
Robert, it's me.
Kona ke London, kona ke fly in, ke ya call. Baby John garage. Bas. Baby John garage. Bas.
Hey, Luigi! What's up, buddy? How you been? Listen, you still speak Spanish, right?
Baby John garage. Yes. Yo. Allega la badile. Inside. Atsara tunya. Ni jine ko gaya ke le. We was straight. I get la walk. I'm
Okay,
better
okay,
be
Italian, I got it. But close
smoking
enough, am I
weed.
right? Could be a check in it for you.
Cosa salaza ko kot. Landa so. Hey, hey, hey. Ba da. Yo. Ish. I'd rather be smoking weed. Kan hira la. Mara ke to sana ka ila ko.
You better not sue me. I've got the best Jewish lawyers in Liberty City.
Ash. Yarra ke batia ga ila somara man. Ithuti koloi ka je. Ke batia ga ila somara. Somara. Ke se bethe ko khotsa matla thata ish. Hang yo bolela lo tse di lo irong re ish ba kwate. Mara e go bolela man. Re mana honorable mang wa ya ka man. Ona le maka. I'm not giving anyone my man. I worked hard for this man. worked hard for this man. Kaya ka ang koto siya. Kaya ka ang koto. Kibele lang ngeje basa iting. Tedis cosa, mina tedis cosa, tedinyane. Tedinyane. So,
Minir,
din sang.
ya jogo guys.
Kemoliji.
Shop guys.
Shop.
Shop.
Position.
Goddamn!
Code day. So naka Bentley papa o tadi. Jo, man. Age orang man kaya koto ka Bentley. O tadi. O tadi. O tadi. Kota naka briefcase. Jo, o tadi. Jo. Mana o tadi mana. Teman deh. O tadi. Jo. Ako bata ka Matlala pan. Jo. Ako bata ka Matlala. Ako bata ka Matlala. Jo. Matlala wa. Ke Matlala eng chat ke biga e. Ngare ke Matlala 6. Nyaka khawashi. Nyaka khawashi. Get your pizza before you are caught. Kidding. Boleh di mana yang exciting. Cepat. Ya. Saya pun ada. re ke nontsha 2 million. $2.4 million. Ke yona? Yeah. Wait. Where's deze? Cho! Agara cheka ya thaka na small. How that in? Cho! Una black AC yananga. Bo, Bentley, Porsche. Cho! Highway. Matlala GP. Matlala GP. Ina uza ona di charges. Ushota lu manger. Sai. Aku betha brain. Kima gula. Ya mana? Dinsang, oya kot.
Yeah.
Are, kita usah salam ra.
RML dini, you know what change?
Hey, wena mun, hey, au safe, wena mun ay. Mana ke hui ko kho to tsamaya bra. Go be wa ke wa ko no ri. Hey!
Uring mun.
Ker tsamaya ke hui ko kho to ke ta salam ra.
Lenna ku hidu.
Oh.
Kan tawaro to da ujo plan.
Erge phone le melusi. Melusi giga ba.
Jamito,
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Hey, I want directions to the court, please.
Directions to court is 7249.
7249.
Yeah, no, actually 7248, yeah, by that green thing there.
Alright, sharp.
Green shield or something. Yeah.
Thanks.
away.
7 7 72999. Who's in chat? Este no le vale.
Ijamito ke bosaka. Ana la matsebetsebe boss. Ke Bentley.
Yawo.
Eh?
Ke tsere ka sekolo.
Mfomba ke Bentley.
Mtshele.
Jamito mfana.
Eh?
Jamito.
Budala.
Sosibulala.
Mfana.
Emana.
Mfana re momtse mfana. Tsama chief tay.
Mona e tsoga ya batho nna mpona le wena braga.
Ejo braga chief tay.
E tsoga mona.
Chief tay go botsa something.
Ela.
Mo ke go botsa something braga.
Nyombotsa.
Chief Ejo akiti ya mo wa building Ejo clean to refisito iti da.
Ko kae?
Ko phidi ba re business kwa sa kya ka ing da ba nya kana le nna no.
Ke a re khoto braga ba o bitsa for khoto.
Abampiza na o songreni. Ba ka singreni.
Nna sentse ke khoto no mona ka tshwanno ba leidi mona no ngira leidi.
Ba greile wena. Because
Yeah.
last ba ntshwere ke na le mofero ka tshaba.
Nna sentse ke khoto no.
Ah, e tlo tshwenya mfana. Ejo mara clean to refisito da jo.
Ora-
No ntse mo dilo tse ke sa ditsi.
Ora.
Ntshepe mfana. Ntshepe because ba hona le mfana mo wa PD umbudizo le ene clean to umbudizo re ene o ritse business le kyaka. Wantsa? Ene kwasa se yaka. Ntshepe. So he batla da batlo rita cause batlo rita ba tsa di tsa clean because di ke tsone di mo boss stage.
Na o mombieng.
Ah, bras ke lena da la bona lena di le dirama.
Wo mama.
Na ena di clean.
Wa fa wena mona sala ka bolela ka wena ne ka hore na ona go go byang. Ha o mfana ka ha o sile.
Oh e biaro.
Ba.
Ejo ke re clean di ke bona di coke pouch ka daddy e mo boss station sa. So e diamond se batla ba tlo di check ba tlo di tsie and then a ke itse go clean di ba di le bja.
Bolela
Go teng
le.
mo siteng.
Tla ke bo.
Ya ke mo tsene bona ke flying in you know.
Ade.
I think e re ke
E jere ke khoto braga mona wa bona jo. Hai.
ah ze ya mfana ejo wa bona nna ke phela ka mask no.
Ai na so.
Ejo bona bo. O check le skele ma bona na phone tsanya ko setup da.
Ai na
Na
so.
ko fe di drugs ko fe in. So mo check le.
Ai na so.
Ntshepe mfana.
Mtshele.
Yabo. Ololo.
Sha. Ne ke cheka ra di lokela le. Batho ba ya khoto. Ro go e buiwa ka tse. Ona go le yela le yone shi anetse ru. Adiyo buwa jo. Adiyo buwa ka dyan. Eh, ka dyan yung buwa jo. Brief. It's in suitcase. Ya, adiyo buwa ka dyan. Che basta, muso? Che kuliah basta? Ma la di pagi le ma la di presidenziale vela, boh. Jo, utlhalile, jo ke mango wa Maybank. Adiyo buwa ka dyan. Tsepe. Tsepe, shit. Ay, nag-tsamay lilo ya.
Wait, papi. Wait.
Wait, Mia, wait. Search him there.
Yeah, I can't search you, Matlala.
I'll try search him there.
Can you have your hands up then?
So,
Where are you?
give me a code.
Next one, I'm searching.
Oh, I was trying to tell you I needed that code.
That's what I'm saying.
Sure.
Yeah, stand there.
You can pass me near.
You have searched to me like that.
Go sit there in front of the Google.
In front.
Next to me, Minir.
Is this you?
Yeah.
Right.
You must be in front there. You're part of it.
Can we have the jury here? Yo. I'll be representing myself.
Basta kayo, bro.
Looks scared.
Where's the guy?
Cat Matlala.
He looks scared already.
I can hear the judge. I can hear the judge, right?
Jamaica needs to join the radio.
Join Radio 100.
100.
Minier was pissed.
Negative, Minir. I have to brief the guy next to me with what's going on here because he's been called here without knowing what's going on. Can I have 2 seconds? I'll explain everything.
Give you a 10-month recess to do that. Please do not hold up because the court was too long. You need to proceed on with the. This is not going to be a trial to say. We need to just set a date for trial.
Can we have like a 1 minute? 1 minute.
Yeah, you can do that, please.
Let's go.
Your Honor, that is not true. The gentleman knows everything that is happening here.
It's better because you're here.
It's fine. Let's give them the opportunity to speak. If it's client, any client privilege, we'll give them the opportunity.
Ara, what do you mean?
We're not going to allow them to delay the court any longer than 1 month.
Yeah, give me 1 month only, Minir. Utlwa ngwanaka. Phela no hole so. Rafraiwa ba me. I know me and you we don't see eye to eye, but the way it is, the time I called you in for being a lawyer and yada. Yeah. Kama is a bitch. So the guy that he was representing was that guy, what do you call Xavier? So I already briefed Xavier on what's going on and what Xavier might say. And just for now, we can hold hands and play the tech team thing.
So so no planning ona re ke bolele ke reng because the document se se lawyer nyana ile yang nyana ibo nombo ombo tore di sign.
Now, if you have more information on that lawyer called Skellen, just let me know so that we can work on it.
Information.
Yeah, information on how he's operating with other clients, how he represents other clients, like corruption and stuff.
Yeah, ke sure man na ke na idea.
For sure.
Mara inside ai mara bonno di inside ya. Ren na go tse.
Arabate.
Inside.
Yeah, we are coming back, Munir, we ready.
Inside.
Yeah, we on the truth.
Hey,
Briefcase our guy.
Hey, re.
Are you gonna pat us down?
Sure.
You sure Moise you didn't go fetch anything outside?
Don't worry.
You can proceed.
Next, ready.
Are we ready to proceed?
Yes.
Mr. Jamito, can't pronounce your surname. Are you present?
Yes, I'm present.
Reclaiming on the
Mr. Jamito, the charges put before you today from the plaintiffs are impersonating of a lawyer, fraud, as well as, I think it's 2 charges, impersonating and fraud. How do you plead to these charges, sir?
Come again.
What are his charges, Miner?
Hang on. Let me double check it.
Ay, that's it. Hey, that's it.
Miner, please sit down.
Hey, that's it. Yan say. Abona eh, that's it. Yan say.
Okay, so the 2 charges against Mr. Jamito is fraud and impersonation. Impersonating a lawyer at the police station. So how do you plead to these charges?
Not guilty.
Fraud meaning, Miner?
Did you receive a document manual about this?
Come again.
Miner, can we hear the reason why you say it's a fraud case, Miner?
This is the charges brought to me by the lawyers. It's a matter of fraud, him impersonating as well. So it shows on the statement given to me that Mr. Jamito appeared at the police station impersonating a lawyer with the meaning or intent to receive compensation, which hence will return or regard to fraud.
He needed a compensation, Miner.
Yes, an attorney obviously receives compensation or payment from whoever is representing. Is that not true?
Not this one, Miner. Maybe you have not been briefed properly, Miner.
Okay. So right now there's 2 charges against Mr. Jamito. How do you plead to these 2 charges of fraud and impersonating?
Not guilty, Miner.
Okay. Also, as for the police side, there's also charges brought against you for abuse of power and unlawful detention. How do you plead to those charges?
Not guilty, Miner.
Okay. To the plaintiffs, would you like to proceed on with the trial, or would you want to set a date for trial right now? To the attorneys, I'm referring to you. Would you like to set a date?
Your Honor, we would like to set
Chat. Bargie live
Your
TikTok.
Honor, we would like to set the date.
To the accused, Mr. Chamito, as well as the police officer, what date would be more convenient for you
For doing what, Miner?
to set up a trial date?
Anytime next week, Miner.
Yes, I agree. Minir. Anytime next week, please. Hey.
Can we set it for the 7th?
The 7th or the 17th?
The 7th. What is the date? It's the 3rd today. Can set it for the 7th, which is on this coming Saturday, anytime. That will be also one of the dates that I will be available as well.
The 7th is gonna kill me, Miner, because now I have a potato brain that I'm using, Miner. Can we push it to next week, Miner? Like next week?
Okay, let's do. Do you want to do the 10th or the 9th?
We are very flexible, Your Honor, so they can decide.
I don't want to extend this trial for too long, so the closer, the sooner we can start it, the quicker we can also get to a point. So is it fine if we set the date for next week, Monday the 9th?
The 10th is fine, Miner. We are available on the 10th.
The 10th is next week, Tuesday.
10-4, Miner.
Is that fine with you guys?
It is perfect, Your Honor.
Also on my side, Minir.
Okay. What time would be convenient? 8 p.m.?
Chat the go code.
10 p.m., Miner.
10 p.m.
10-4.
Go code, chat. It's like YouTube.
Also, Miner, I would like for the defendant to explain the fraud side, Miner. It seems like they have evidence that we don't know about, Miner.
Yes, we will all have to represent that on the trial date. All evidence will be transferred to plaintiffs and accused should it be argued that it's illegal or not. Because right now, if the plaintiff feels it, they want to end with the documents, it's up to them. Whatever documents they have now. Because I do believe that you guys have been served. Is that not correct?
Correct.
So the documents in your possession doesn't show the charges.
Negative, Miner. I can't scroll down because it was shown to me and not given to me, Miner.
In this case, is it possible to give the documents?
Oh, it's on YouTube. I'm not on TikTok. It's on YouTube. I'm already live.
I will give it to him, Your Honor. I gave the document to Mr. Jamito.
Yo, don't want you. Tama mo bien chat. Bona vale go morao. Yo, betile sutu ya wetsi.
Can you see it?
Ish. Armon ne ting. It's on YouTube, chat. I'm already live.
Okay. Before
Oh, man, why you mean?
In the court, can we ask the plaintiffs to explain the part of the fraud also? Just for verification.
Just tell him. You take over. Then you take over for me.
Yeah, I get my BD.
Please, my lord.
And I'm saying, can you explain the part of where there's fraud involved as well, so that we all have clear understanding of the two charges? We understand the impersonation, but on what grounds are we also accusing him for the fraud?
So we got a call that we need to assist someone in the cells, and the guy that called us to assist was Touchline, and then we arrived at the station, and when we got there, I was told, or we were told, there's already a lawyer. Meanwhile, it was Chamito, and we don't know him as a lawyer, my lord. And we did confirm it with one of the higher ups as well, and my fellow PD next to me.
Minera, I couldn't hear you. My ping was on 10,000.
My lord, can you hear me?
Yeah, proceed on from the part where you said you were phoned.
Oh, so we got a call that we need to assist someone because apparently he's locked up, and it was Xavier. And we arrived at the station, and when we got to the station, we were told that there's already a lawyer. And when we got there, it was Jamito, and we don't know him as a lawyer, my lord. And we spoke everything out in there. Apparently, he had his document, not sure from where. And my fellow PD on my left confirmed that Jamito is a lawyer. And Basta Zuma was there, and Basta Zuma knew that I was a lawyer, but he didn't have anything to say, my lord. And I called Alpha 2 to confirm to my fellow PD officer on my left, and confirmed as well that I am a lawyer, but he still denied it and put me in cuffs for no reason.
To the accused, Mr. Jacob, are we clear on the fraud part there? Because when you make out the documents and there's false information put there, automatically making fraudulent documents, does it make sense, no?
Tenfold.
So that's where the fraud part comes in. I hope that clears that up, and also the other charge. Okay. So from my side, I hope all parties that were involved are here, and all parties that will be present on the set date, which will be the 10th of February at 10 p.m. Then this set for trial. So I ask that all attorneys be present.
So today, what are we doing, Minera?
Today is just the hearing for the trial. So I don't think we're going to be able to proceed on with any trial tonight.
Tenfold.
Okay, can you start it now so that we can continue on the
So if you want, we can start with our introduction there. Your opening statement. You can do your opening statements, and then we proceed on then with the trial again thereafter.
Then give me a sec.
Is that fine with the plaintiffs?
That is fine, Your Honor.
Chat. Go khotsa ka nnete chat. Ke tshwareile. Use ChatGPT to answer. Matla. Yo. Dikuku shu berekisa ChatGPT. Dikuku ay berekisa.
I, Kuku Vesta Miner, declare that we are not guilty for the charge placed against us, and we'd like to proceed with this trial now, Miner, not next week, Miner, because something might happen to us. And so, Mr. Skellam on my right has a better reputation of dealing with people, Miner.
Inside.
the plaintiff agree, would you want to continue on with the trial today?
Don't appreciate those claims.
Babalalin.
Are we in agreement?
What do you think, Skelly? What do you think?
But you want to carry on with it?
Sure, we can.
Yeah,
Let's
no
go for
problem.
it. We are happy to proceed, Your Honor.
Oh, good. Whoever's going to come up to the podium first, would you like to first do your formal statements, your opening statements, and then we'll proceed on with asking the witnesses to come to the stand. And then we're gonna ask. Okay, we ask the plaintiff first to step up, and then please just step up to the center there.
Do you want to do it?
No, you can do it.
Your Honor, it seems like they're indecisive on my right here. They don't have their stories aligned.
Please do not speak on our behalf.
Okay. Also ask that during the opening statement that we do not object or interrupt. Only after said statement has been given are we going to be allowed to speak. Is that understood?
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay, so please raise your right hand to the court and swear that the next statement you make is the truth, the whole truth, so nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes. Yes, I don't know how to raise the hand.
You can just point out.
Even that is not working, sir. But I agree.
That's fine. It's fine, as long as you agree. Okay, you may start.
Thank you, Your Honor. So this case basically concerns Mr. Jamito behind me here, who goes by the name Cat Matlala in the street.
Cat Matlala.
He basically falsely represented himself as a licensed lawyer. We know for sure that he does not work for us, and we are the only law firm in the city. Jamito acted in a legal capacity. He spoke on behalf of others, and he interacted with PD, his friend right next to him there, Mr. Dikuku, and he was claiming to be a lawyer without being registered and without being authorized. So today we want to show Mr. Jamito that he was not a legitimate lawyer, and he acted as one, and PD supported those actions. So that is my opening statement, sir. And I have nothing else to say from you.
Thank you. The next representative, or can you step up?
Ish. Cook best. Cook best ya guys. Mana sabe ya? Cook best.
Mr. Chikoko, can you state your full names and then for the record, and then also
Mana ke magogo la Mamatla. As the brele fele.
Are you representing yourself as well as Mr. Jamito, or just yourself?
More bethile melao.
Stand for me, my name is Duguku Best and Monna Let's email 399 and I'll be representing myself and Jamito Gwebin.
Okay, so swear the following statement you're about to give the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
So help me God. Oh God.
Okay, you may proceed, sir.
Thought I did my opening statement already, but
it was a brief statement, so just to clarify, you may as well do a clear one for the record.
What are you serious?
10-4 minute. As the defendant, are we the defendant minute? As the defendant minute, we claim that we are not guilty due to this operation being a deep undercover operation that we couldn't let the lawyers know what's going on, and Mr. Jamito here was not I repeat, was not impersonating lawyer in any formal statement, Miner.
Yes.
And yeah, I repeat, Miner, we are not guilty as charged.
Alright, is that your full opening statement, sir?
Mm-hmm.
May I have a seat? And then we'll ask the first witness to come to the podium here. Do you have any witnesses? Starting with the defendant.
You're asking me if I have a witness?
Yes, sir.
10
We
for
set
me,
for trial, so can we have the first witness?
10 for. I'd like to call the suspect himself, which is Xavier, to the stand, Miner.
Okay, Mr. Xavier, if you are here, can you please move up to the podium next to me?
Right here.
So you can come on my right side here, sir.
Roger that.
This side, Miner, this side. The other right.
Ish. I see the right. Or I lost. I'm a land.
Can you have Katarina on the left side to take the minutes of the agenda here? She's a PA there, PD, so we're gonna have her on the left, please. Katarina Royal.
Stop sticking
Can she's in right. Mr. Xavier, can you state
Yes,
your
sir.
full name and surname for the record? Mr. Xavier, can you state your full name and surname for the record?
My name is Xavier Greek, sir.
Swear the following statement that you're about to give, the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yeah, it will be nothing but the truth, sir.
Okay. You can start your cross questioning.
Mr. Xavier, is it?
The one and only.
10-4. Can you confirm with me that on the day that this scene happened, Mr. Skellum Jones didn't even know your name and surname?
Yes, sir. Did not know my name or surname.
10-4. Was Mr. Skellum Jive or Skellum Jones your representative that day?
No, they were not my representative.
10-4, Miner. Is it true that Mr. Skellum out here goes around representing people that are not their clients? Like you said to me.
Yes, sir.
Objection, Your Honor.
Just leave.
Yeah. Can we define us what is the objection for?
That statement is not true. What does he mean, yes?
Can I ask that we refrain from answering questions that you don't have any knowledge of? Because Mr. Xavier is not aware of who the clients are or are not.
Exactly, Your Honor. Thank you.
Proceed.
Then for me, I think this man, he swore to the oath that he wouldn't lie under any circumstance. Am I right or wrong, Miner? Xavier?
Yes, sir.
Would you confirm with me that, Mr. Xavier, I would like you to explain something to me, Miner. How do you know Mr. Skellum Jones? Like, how do you know him?
I just know him by name, nothing more, nothing much. That he's a lawyer. I did not know about that, but I just heard that he goes around representing other people for money.
10-4. I would like to say this, Miner, everyone in the court, that if this certain something happens to this certain guy, how many other people is it happening to? How many other people has he helped out?
And then, what about
with money in his pocket? And not to mention that we had something to do with Mr. Skellum.
I'm going to block the court.
Guns, illegal guns, because they were part of the evidence
W500 views.
whereby the mafia boys was holding a person hostage.
Objection,
and
Your
also
Honor.
shooting around.
What is the relevance of this?
Mr. Rupuka, you're going off topic.
No, Minar, I'm just trying to show what kind of a man Mr. Skellum is, Minar. Because if Skellum is capable of forcefully representing this guy behind me, what more is he capable of, Minar? What more can he do to this country to ruin it, Minar? You
Is that
understand?
speculation or is it evidence that you have against Mr. Skellum?
I have a body cam, Minar, but now I can't provide it since I'm using a potato brain here, Minar. So I'm gonna provide it on the next day of the trial, Minar. And also, Minar, can I add on what I'm saying, Minar? I would like to say that Mr. Skellum Jones also goes around assaulting PD. So if a person can assault an official and help his friend to get away without even being charged of anything, what kind of a man are we dealing with? How dangerous is Mr. Skellum Jones? I'm just asking out of curiosity. But other than that,
Who's the question based to? Like, who are you asking the question to? Is it Cook? Because there's only one person on trial that you are supposed to be cross-questioning is on your right.
It was a rhetorical question, Minya. But other
Refrain
than that,
from asking rhetorical questions because we have a witness on the stand.
10-4.
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
Mr. Xavier.
Yes, sir.
This man and the lawyer claims that they called you. You called them to assist you in court, is it?
They claim to call me. Which person?
Mr. Skellum Jones claimed to call you to represent him. To represent you. Or
That's
you called
negative.
him 10-4 minutes. Also, Minner, I'm gonna come on the Mr. Jamito part. I would like to know, Minner, that day, did you know that Mr. Jamito is gonna represent you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
10-4, Minner. Was he looking for money from you or not?
No, sir.
10-4. So, Minner, as it seems here, it seems like this operation was done under a lot of speculations, Minner. Was done under a lot of speculations.
Where's planning game? Mo chat ko ba botora wana.
I don't have any
Na
more
negele
questions for
witness.
this,
Negesi lawyer. Negele witness.
The plaintiff, do you have any questions for the witness? Ms. K, Mr. Skellum, do you have any questions for the witness?
Na negesi lawyer. Negele witness.
I would
like to witness.
Yeah, you can stand up and come and ask the question.
Negesi lawyer. Negele witness.
Mr. Xavier.
That's YouTube, sir. Bobotle. Kilibija bobotle.
So the day I got a phone call from your friend Touchline, were you guys together? The day you guys when Touchline ran away and your fellow PD officer locked you up?
Repeat the question.
Were you and your fellow friend Touchline together the day you got locked up?
No.
So he was the one that called us to say we need to represent you. And you guys were on, I got proof of it, that you guys went on a scene and you, Touchline, ran away and you got locked up by the fellow PD officer.
I'm also here, I can represent myself.
Please remain silent, Mr. Touchline. You have the call. Podium needed.
And told that you said I'm a fake lawyer and I scam people.
A lot happened that day. There was too much going on. Yes, I do recall.
Didn't have much to say.
Okay.
And that following day.
No question for the witness?
Yes, for this witness, my lord.
Hey, touchline.
Mr. Jacob, are you done with your cross-questioning of the witness?
For me, I got the information that I needed.
Xavier, we appreciate your time. Appreciate you being here. You may step down.
Thank you.
Let the court bring the following, whoever has the next witness can come to the podium.
Your Honor, can we please have Mr. Touchline on the stand, please?
Mr. Touchline, are you in the courthouse?
Yebo, Minia, I'm coming. Come forward.
Matlala. Unyako ira mara. Bafana bafa uthi mina mara arisho Matlala. You.
Hlala phi lapho Minia?
Are good man in the house. Any trouble with my court. You.
Please state your full name and surname for the record.
Touchline Johnson, Motalo. Underwood and Pep.
I swear that the following statement you are about to make is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Is the statement you are about to make or answer is going to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. You're confirming that you're speaking the truth while you're repeating it.
Yes, Minia.
Era bandita mo.
We'll be asking, cross-examining the witness.
My lord, yeah, it's just one question though.
Okay, you can come up.
Johnson, didn't you call us to assist your fellow brother there in the cell?
When was this, Minia? Me, I'm always drinking, so. Please provide it, because maybe I was trying.
Can you specify or be more specific on your questioning? Exactly when are you asking when they call you for your client, because you need to refresh his mind as well.
It has like on bola too.
I actually, it wasn't like when it happened. It was, I think it was 2 weeks ago.
Oh, we were playing horses there by the casino there. But I mean, we were drunk that day. I mean, yeah. Man, I don't
Touchline. Hey, something
that day, me, I don't remember saying anything, because I never went to. If I called him, I would have said, I would have went to the source with him or something, isn't it?
Who was Touchline?
Okay, my lord. I have proof. I'll provide it to you.
Yes. When we have when we set the next date, we will set it for most of the proof that we're going to be that everyone has to present to the court, whether it be body cam or physical paperwork as evidence. Is that fine? Mr. Tikoko, do you have any questions for the witness?
10-4. Sorry, my grandmother's call.
This is. I literally wanted to say something. What is it that you want to say then? If he doesn't remember everything.
Mr. Touchline.
Your Honor. Your Honor.
Follow me.
Hello.
Follow me in chat. Follow me in.
Mr. Touchline, can you confirm with me if Skellum Drive is your friend?
Yeah, I know him.
You know him or is your friend, Minir? Give me a specific answer. Is he your friend?
Get
Both.
wrong.
10-4, Minir. Has he ever done anything illegal for you, Minir? Don't worry, Minir. You are under protection, Minir.
Be specific, Minir. Be specific.
Yo, there's a lot, ne?
Be specific, Minir.
Has he helped you out of jail before, Minir?
Yeah.
10-4, Minir. Under what circumstances, Minir? Was it a illegal way of proceeding with the bail? Or can you explain more, Minir? Tell me what happened that day.
There's a lot of times, man.
Just one that you recall, Minir.
Oh, I was arrested for illegal driving without a license and stuff. Then he took me out.
Took you out how, Minir? Did he comply with the rules? Did he come to PD to talk to us about your case? Or what happened, Minir?
Minir, me, I was in the office. I asked for my lawyer. He came. They just told me to go home. I'm free. So that's what happened.
Okay. Seems like a legit lawyer, like everyone, ne?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Me, I only call him when I need help with legal stuff.
10-4. Since Wally is your friend and you know him as much, does he have illegal things on him?
I don't know. You have to check him. I don't know.
10-4 minutes. Mr. Skellem. Is Skellem his real name that you know him by?
Yeah, I know that name. Marilena, you can see with the name. Not make sure.
He's your friend, otherwise, ne? You know him, ne?
Yeah.
10-4. Now I have no more questions for this guy, Minia.
Okay. To the plaintiff, any other cross-examining for the witness?
Who's that officer, bro? He has confidence and it sucks.
Can you repeat?
Your Honor.
Are you done or are you coming up?
We coming up.
Question.
Eh?
Mr. Touchline, how are you?
I'm good. How are you good?
I'm good, thank you for asking. So I just have a few questions for you, okay?
Okay.
And I need you to answer me properly.
Okay.
My colleague here asked you some questions, and you seemed like you did not remember anything. But when they came up here, Mr. Dikuku Basta came up here and asked you questions, you suddenly remembered things. So can you please do me a favor and remember things for me as well?
I remember. I'm saying the day we were there, we were drunk. Yo. Kala.
We were drunk. Silence.
We were drunk that day, you see. So I don't remember what happened.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this. Did you or did you not contact Mr. Skellem on that day?
Objection, ma'am.
I didn't. We were chilling, drinking.
Before we proceed, there's an objection. On what grounds are you objecting, sir?
Why is she forcing him to answer a question that he doesn't know, Minir? Because he just confirmed that he was drunk, he doesn't remember anything, Minir.
Minir, it is because he couldn't answer his questions, but he was able to remember things for Mr. Dikuku. How is he remembering what he...
Selva, I hear you, ma'am, but remember, this guy just confirmed that he was drunk. You asking him over and over again, it starts sounding like you want to put answers into her mouth.
This is for me to check if he can remember something, right?
I asked him multiple times. Okay, continue.
Yeah, the court's allowed, sorry. As the lawyers, you're allowed to repeat your questions.
No, le regular judge, man. Le regular judge.
In a different sense, so that maybe it jots the memory of the witness. So, it's allowed.
Thank you. Sir, remember this is a serious legal situation and it involves your friend. Are you telling the court that you do not remember making that call at all?
What
But you remember being called
we-
to Mr. Skellum.
There was no call. We were at the casino. Thinking there.
Did you say something about being arrested at night?
He's also my lawyer, so he's taking me out of prison, like, I'm going to jail a lot of times. So, yeah.
So, who was taking you out of jail? Skellum.
Yepo.
So, you are admitting that Skellum is your lawyer, and there's a possibility that you may have called him to come and save your friend.
He's my lawyer, not my friend's lawyer. So, I don't know about that.
Okay, so you remember
Xavier,
Xavier, right? Your friend? You remember what you guys did?
What did we do?
And you ended up in prison, both of you.
Both of us, when?
I'm asking. It's a question, sir.
When was that? I don't, like, I don't know. When? Like, tell me when.
You mentioned being arrested to Mr. Dikoko.
I was never arrested in Xavier.
Sorry, to the attorney, can you specify arrested for what? Maybe that was just the witnesses member.
Your Honor, it's okay. I'll skip that question. Mr. Touchline, are you saying that you know Mr. Skellum and he's your lawyer, and you never called him that night, right?
Yep. I never called him because we were together.
No further questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
I have two more questions, Miner, for this witness, Miner.
Come up.
Since when we are allowed to repeat questions, Miner, you said that Mr. Xavier took out of jail so many times.
Yeah.
Mr. Who you call? Mr.
Can I interject, Mr. Tikoko? When you came up here now, you said something. Can you just, who are you asking the question to? Asking also, how many times can you ask a question? Is that what you are saying?
Nah, I would rather rhetorical question, Miner, and I'm going to rephrase from doing rhetorical questions, Miner. Mr.
You may proceed.
10-4. Mr. Touchline. Other than taking you out of weapon license situations, Miner, what more has he done for you, Miner?
Please be specific there.
Miner, you have a reputation of doing high.
Don't do what you're about to do there.
Miner, we are busy in here, E4. You have a reputation of doing high and saving its time also sometimes, and sometimes you do some reckless things, Miner. So, I'm asking you, Miner, in one of your scenarios or whatever that you're doing, has he ever gotten you out of jail, Miner?
Yes, Miner. Obviously.
Can you explain what happened, Miner?
There's a lot, so I don't know which one I can say.
Pick one, Miner.
Oh, yeah, I was doing, I don't know. There was a stolen car that was traced back to me, then he got me out of that.
How, Miner?
As I said, I was in the cells, and then he took me out. They told me that I'm free to go.
So you are confirmed. Okay, Miner, I hear you on that, Miner. So you spoke about casino, Miner. Are you confirming with me that you and Mr. Skellum were drinking alcohol that day at the casino?
Yeah, obvious. When you are there, you have to nyana one swaka two nyana.
10-4. So when he claims that you told him that you need a friend out, it was after 5 beers, 6 beers, nyana, ne?
I think 24. I was drunk. Because I was with him, so how would I know if my friend was in jail?
10-4, Miner. 10-4. So you're telling me that Mr. Skellum Jones, he left after drinking 24 alcohol and went to PD to represent your friend, so they say.
Yeah, and me, I never told. Yeah, but that's what happened. We were drinking, then he just left.
So you are confirming with me that As he say, he left there, he came to PD drunk. 10-4. I have no more questions for this witness, Minier.
Speculation.
And the plaintiffs, are you done with the witness, or do you want to follow up?
We are done, Your Honor.
Mr. Touchline, we appreciate your time. You may step down.
Thank you, my lord.
Attending your job while drunk, it's crazy.
Hey,
It's crazy, ne? Yeah,
yeah.
today's lawyers, they even asking for illegal firearms from PD now, eh?
Yeah?
Can you please refrain from the comments there? Keep it professional. Do you have a next witness to come to the stand?
Hello.
Can, Your Honor, can we please have Alpha 2 to take the stand?
Alpha 2, are you present?
Yeah, 10-4.
Hey.
Jo ke palla go ya live jo ke berekisa rain ntshepe tsa mabo ma 500 ping.
Are you Melus?
Skawara Melus, just speak nothing but the truth, you'll be fine.
Yeah, because you buy people.
Okay, Mr. Alpha 2, can you please state your full name and surname for the record?
My name is Melis Zondo, Alpha 2, Chief of PD.
Okay. Understand today, sir, you will ask the questions. You just to answer them honestly, the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
So help me God, yeah.
Have a seat, sir. We'll be doing the first cross-examiner.
Can I ask you something?
Do you want to go first?
Can I ask you something? Is there somebody watching our cars outside?
The plaintiffs, are you ready for your witness?
Please,
You can go.
It seems like they're unprepared. Naked Matlala.
Hey, Mona, what is this? Is this a joke?
I think this is a joke.
Mr. Zonda,
24 minutes.
on that day, did I call you to confirm if I'm a lawyer?
Jail.
And did you tell your fellow PD officer the truth?
True.
And did he confirm that?
Yes, he stated that you're the true lawyer.
And after that, he didn't listen to his higher up. He still went after the fake lawyer.
Objection.
On the grounds?
That is not true, Minier.
Which part is not true?
Well, he said I didn't listen to my upper rank, Minier. He's trying to put words into Mr. A1C2's mouth, Minier.
Was it a statement or a question, Mr. Plaintiff? Were you asking the question or were you stating it?
The cat got his tongue, Minier.
Mr. Skellam, I'm referring to you. Did you ask a question about...
No, I asked him a question.
Okay, then the witness will answer the question and the objection will be sustained.
Mr. Zondo, can I confirm again?
Yeah, Mr. Skedam called me that day, and then I did confirm that he's a true lawyer when I was telling my officers.
And did I ask you if you know if Jamito is a lawyer?
Yes, indeed, you did ask that is he a lawyer, and then I said no, but you must also check the papers.
Objection, Minier.
Sure, objection, sir.
Mr. Melus is a PD officer, Minier. He doesn't work at a law firm. He can't know which one is a lawyer and which one is not a lawyer, Minier. So for him to confirm that no, but somebody is not a lawyer, Minier, it's irrelevant.
You know.
Okay, how would we know who's lawyers and not lawyers in the city? question to the attorney.
A di ko nnete.
Want the plaintiffs to answer this one, Ms. Kato or Mr. Skellum? How would we know who are lawyers and who are not lawyers in city?
Do have documents and yeah. So my lord, can I ask you one question?
Yes, you may.
The same day I asked Mr. Mulusi if me and his team can take Mr. Jamito to court to open the door to see if he really is a lawyer. But it was failed. And I still got put in cuffs and dragged out of the PD station. Mr. Mulusi, can you confirm this?
That statement is true. I did say the mistake to open the doors at the court.
Tronco, my father.
Are we proceeding with the cross-examining Mr. Dukoko, or are you still on your objection?
You can continue, Minder.
You are allowed.
Sorry, my lord. And we do have one document where the Jamito's document, you can see it is signed by a PD officer.
Is that a question or a statement, Minder?
No, I'm telling my lord that I can give it to him, or Ms. K can give it to him.
Yeah, hand me that document. You're gonna have to hand it to the accused as well. So we're gonna have everyone formulate the judgment from it. So what's the question? The officer in question. Are we gonna have him as a witness on the stand as well?
I'm not sure if he's here. His name is Buster.
I am right here.
Okay, yes, we would like for him to take the stand, please.
Okay, we'll do that after the cross-examining.
Thank you, Your Honor.
My lord, I am done.
My father.
Okay, Mr. Dukoko, you have follow-up questions for the witness?
10-4.
You're forcing this, sir. You're forcing this. Just drop it already.
I don't like Miss Katie's threat this side. My lord, I don't like Miss Katie's
What
threat.
threat is anyone? What threat has been made to you, sir?
Hey, Miner just told me to drop this thing. I'm just forcing it. Hey, it came out in a very different tone, Miner.
It's true, Miss Katie.
Yeah. Your Honor, that is false. Why did he even walk behind me?
Mr. Dukoko, there's tape recorders within the courtroom, sir.
I'm
gonna review the tape recording, and if you're making any false accusations, sir, this is gonna count against your case.
But Miner, I'm telling the truth. But anyway, can I continue with the?
You may proceed with your cross-examination.
My respect. I respect this man too much, Mr. A2. How are you, Miner?
I'm good. How about you, Miner?
Miner, can you confirm with me that we called you on the day of the scene, Miner? The time you called you and Mr. Skellum put you on loudspeaker.
Oh, yes.
10-4, Miner. Didn't I say to you that Mr. Skellum, I don't know him as a lawyer, he must provide his papers?
True.
10-4, Miner. So I asked you to tell Mr. Skellum to bring his papers, ne?
Yes, you did. But I said, I told you that he's a legit lawyer because we've been dealing with him for so long.
And you know because you work at the law firm?
Not like that, Minar. It's because, yes, the thing that's written law firm also. You know.
I don't know if you have to use that one. Is it allowed to use that one, Mr. Judge?
Yeah, then I think we can use the phone book to confirm who are lawyers or not. Because I don't think they've been issued the cards as of yet.
Exactly.
10-4. Mr. Melusi Zondo.
Yes.
I'm gonna address you as Mr. Melusi Zondo because in A2 I become scared a bit.
Don't worry.
10-4. Can you confirm with me that My honor, I'm sorry I'm gonna say this in the court. Can you confirm with me that Mr. Skellum, while you were on loudspeaker, I'm not sure if you heard him, when I asked for his papers, he kept on saying, I quote, I put back when I put back. To me.
Bro.
10-4. So he was insulting me in a way, wasn't he?
Hey, I must answer that.
10-4.
You know, sometimes Futek is not an insult, you know. Sometimes it's an insult.
So if me, I say, oh, and I put back to you, am I insulting you or am I saying hello?
Yo.
Yeah, you're insulting me. Okay.
So it depends on who you talk to, ne?
Yeah, and what is it about?
10-4 minutes. Let me juggle your mind a bit. This scene was about a man getting arrested, and Mr. Skellum came to claim to be his lawyer. And us as PD, we refused him to be his representative because the client didn't know him, and also he didn't provide us with the papers to show that he is a lawyer. So I'm asking you again, him saying "futek" to me in that scene, was he a good one or was he insulting me? It's a question to you, Miner.
I'll take it as an insult. No, three, you can speak.
You'll take it as?
I'll say it's an insult.
10-4, Miner. Also, Miner, when a person comes to PD, and we okay, let me put this in a simple way. When Cat Matlala talks to you, how do you know Cat Matlala, to be specific? How do you know Cat Matlala? How do you know him to his reputation? Do you know him as a bad person, or you just know him as a person who has like a couple of millions in his pocket? Or how do you know him, Mina?
I know him as a scammer.
As a scammer?
Yeah, he's a big scammer in the street.
Is that speculations or there's hard evidence of that, Mina?
There's an evidence on that. There's an operation that is going on right now.
I'm not talking about an ongoing operation, Mina. We are talking about something that is already confirmed.
Yes.
Like I want closed case to confirm that, okay, this is stamped, and it was correctly stamped. So I want that statements that are stamped and closed.
I'm not going to be able to provide that now. I don't have.
I'm not looking for provision, Miner. I'm just looking for you to tell me if he's a confirmed scammer with the case closed or not.
Okay, I'll say not for now, but yeah.
So can you rephrase the answer that you gave me at the first time, Miner? How do you know Cat Matlala to his reputation, Miner?
I'm going back there. As I said, he's a scammer. That's how I know him.
10-4, Miner. I don't have any more questions for this witness, Miner.
Thank you, Mr. Tikuku. To the plaintiff, do you have any follow-up questions for the witness?
I think you should serve him and then you just ask Pastor how come he signed it. That is your part and then we're done.
What situation, shit?
Mr. K2, are you done with
Mr. K, Mr.
We just have just a couple of questions for Alpha 2.
Can't now I guess I'm busy. Evan.
Alpha 2, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm well, thank you. Sir, I don't have too many questions for you, but I just wanted to ask this one.
Okay.
Did you, at any point, reassure your colleagues, your PD members, including Mr. Dikuku, that Skellum was the true lawyer and Jamito was not the true lawyer?
Yes, I do confirm that.
So you did reassure them.
We can't hear you, ma'am.
Speak on radio.
So you did reassure them.
Yes.
Do you recall what happened after reassuring them?
I'm not sure because everything was on a phone call, and then after I dropped the phone call, everything proceeded. I wasn't there.
Well, my colleague claims that he was cuffed as well because he said he was a fake lawyer. Do you know about these events?
Yes, I was told.
And who told you so?
Himself.
Mr. Skellum himself told you.
Temple.
And how do you feel about those events?
It's not good. It's not good at all.
Thank you, Mr. Zondo. I don't have any further questions, Your Honor.
I have a couple of questions, Miner.
Okay, before you proceed, I just have a question to Mr. Kate Matlala. Mr. Kate Matlala, what are you writing on that note of yours?
Come again?
What are you writing on that note?
You're taking names.
I'm taking notes of what's being said.
Okay, I just hope you're not taking names.
What's that supposed to mean, sir?
Now we can proceed on.
Can I proceed?
You may proceed with your cross-examining.
Okay, just one thing. Miss K2, Kat Matlala is asking for the spell of your name. Can you spell your name to him? You wanna write something there?
I mean, that's what Your Honor just asked. He said, I hope you're not taking down names.
He's not taking down names, he's writing a sentence that needs your name in it, ma'am.
I think we'll just refer to each other by the last names in the courthouse because the lawyers are not understand right now. Also for safety reasons.
10-4, I hear you, Miner. Mr. Alpha 2, I'm gonna address you as Mr. Alpha 2 now, Miner. I wanna ask you about me, myself, and I. One of your commanders recently I've been promoted. If nobody knows, I've been promoted recently for being a commander at PD. So, Miner, since all this happened when I was a cadet, I want to ask you more on this. It happened while I was a cadet, and yes, I was a bit out of edge and everything. Can you tell me how's my reputation? How's the Gugu Best's reputation in PD recently?
Recently, right now, so far I can say he's been doing a good job, you know.
No corruption, no nothing, ne?
That's not proven for now.
That's not proven, but along the way, like working with him and him working for you, even though he doesn't get the bonus from time to time, would you say that Mr. Gugu Besta is a legit cop and he's a good cop?
No comment today.
You may ask the answer the questions, like we're still under oath.
Can you tell me if the Gugu Besta is a good cop or a bad cop?
No comment. No comment. I don't have any comment.
Can you tell her to put her hands up, please? Can you hear me?
10-4 minutes. Before, I don't know if my honor, if this is relevant, but before Mr. Skellum joined the law firm, how did you know him?
I know him after he joined the law firm.
You knew him after?
Yeah.
So it doesn't have any bad reputation according to you?
No.
No vehicle heist, no nothing that you have attended to?
Oh, you mean by that? Okay, yes. He's been arrested before.
A couple of times, I'm sure.
Relevance?
This is relevant due to painting Skellum with his own color, ma'am, which is corruption, ma'am.
We will allow the session.
So, Minor, you confirm with me that Skellum has been arrested a couple of times, not once, not twice.
Confirm.
And has he been in possession of illegal firearm like a class 3 weapon or anything like coke?
I just need to understand the
I can't recall that. But yeah, he's been arrested. That's what I'm
So, from what I'm getting, if I can like wrap this up, what I'm getting is that Mr. Skellum carries a bad reputation to the law firm due to his illegal problems that he used to do, also drinking and then coming to attend his job, you know, all those things. But other than that, I have no more questions for this client, this witness, Minir.
Thank you, Mr. Dukoko. Any follow-up questions from the lawyers?
Nothing from our side, Your Honor.
Mr. Alpha 1, Alpha 2, sorry, we appreciate your time. You step down.
Man, warasa man, ish. My father, khalmela motho man.
Warasa yena mpandlane.
Okay, is there any other witnesses that we have come up?
Can we please have Mr. Pastor Zuma on the stand?
So it's gonna be ladies first. I'm not gonna call my witnesses first.
Russian.
So we had agreed that the next witness would be Mr. Pastor. So if you have any other witnesses, please just mention their names so that we can have them in queue.
10-4.
Mr. Pastor Zuma still present?
He said Tabandista. Hey. Oh, hey, I thought I'm a witness.
Alright, I'm coming now.
Can the court just shut the fuck up, sir, please?
Ish, Officer B.
Minir, Kat Matlala is asking if can the court just shut the F up?
Sure. But then we
can we not refrain from using the language there? Can you come to my right side, Mr. Buster, and have a seat on the
10-4. I'm just gonna take my medicine there.
Pure disrespect.
Ghana, he has amnesia, Minir, so it's a bit of a problem.
My granny told me to take it, you know, when I come here.
Pastor Zuma, can you please, state your full name and surname for the record, and if you are in any relation with Mr. Jacob Zuma?
Okay, my name is Pastor Zuma, also known as Omega 2. The streets are not safe. I am not related to Mr. Jacob Zuma or any of the Zumas, you know. I am the only real Zuma.
Sorry.
10-4.
Yeah, right Skellum Jones there.
So, Mr. Zuma, you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so I'll figure out to the following questions answered.
10-4. I agree. I will tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
Thank you, sir. We'll be asking the first question.
I will start.
Come on.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? I'm good, ma'am.
Officer Pastor, how are you?
Good, thanks. And yourself?
I'm well, thank you. Do you remember me?
Of course I remember you. How would I forget you?
I know, right?
Anyways, objection, Minir.
On what grounds?
Seems like they are flirty here, Minir, and we are about to get hung. The court is hung.
Your Honor.
Can we we'll sustain the objection and we can continue with the cross-examination.
Okay. Mr. Pastor, I just have a couple of questions for you. How do you know this gentleman behind me? Kat Matlala, Mr. Jamito.
As I said to everyone that has asked me, I don't know him as Jamito or Kat Matlala. I know him as Bosi. This name of Kat Matlala or Jamito is new to me.
interesting. Okay, so since you know him as Vusi, what is he to you? How would you describe him? Is he a colleague, a friend? What is he to you?
Yeah, he is a friend of mine. A really good friend of mine.
What do you guys do as friends?
We go to Devon. We go to Matlala Mondays. He calls something Matlala Monday. Yeah, we go to Matlala Mondays. We buy cars. We spin cars. And yeah, we treat ourselves nice, A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do.
But now, can you please explain to the court what situation happened that involves Jamito and that led to you getting involved as well? What happened?
I would like to ask, apart from what was aforementioned, where was I involved?
Let me rephrase this. Were you aware that Jamito was presenting himself as a lawyer at the time? The reason why we are here. Were you aware?
You specify the date, time, place. Because there were multiple times where I was with them.
So you don't remember the times when he was a lawyer?
I need to know the specific one.
You're not denying this. You just want dates. So has it happened multiple times?
No, I'm not saying that multiple times. I'm just saying I want to know.
You are kind of giving me that idea.
And then
Yes, it's your idea, but it's not what I said. Correct?
Admit no
I'll
aska o
skip that
bolaya ka
question.
itse re
Okay.
ntho e ke e
Did
bolelang ke maaka
you
mara
provide a
admit
document that appears to be signed or approved by PD to Mr. Jamito? I'll get to the point. Did you or did you not do that? It's a yes or no type of an answer.
Could you explain what the document had?
Well, the document is you saying that Mr. Jamito is a legitimate lawyer. Did you sign that document?
I don't remember signing any document.
Okay, can we have the two lawyers come to the podium here quickly? As well as can everyone come to me quickly?
Go the right.
What is HSA?
How are you? It's not the wrong room. It's the right one.
What thing? Hot shot.
Document by who? Is that document by Basta? By Basta. Can you give it to me so that I can see it?
I'll give it to you.
Could you also show me that document so I see what's going on?
I'm not done questioning you, sir.
Jamito, boss waka.
Hey man, what's that man? Hey.
I'll support the boss or na lo wena.
Hey man.
Ka support wena Jami. Cause ga tsibo innocent big boss.
Free Matlala.
Boss wa rona bona, you feed the poor.
What thing? HSA.
Officer. I'm looking for Officer Max. I'm looking for him. Where is he?
Would you like a copy as well, Mr. Pastor?
Yes, please.
That one is fine. Please send that Menyer. Menyer, come back. Menyer.
Sleaze uire angon the sleaze.
Remember the faces you said.
Free Matlala.
This guy you searched him, he can go.
Where's Max?
Zamayang.
Officer, I'm looking for Officer Max. Officer.
Wait, did he just come in, that one? I thought he's leaving.
Officer with the AR. You're scaring us.
They cannot be, sir.
Never gone out. This officer Max. This officer Max.
Exactly. And the person who signed it as well.
I think you can forge it, Miller.
Mrs. Mrs. Capone
But
and
if you change your name in the Home Affairs and write the document and sign it, and then change your name again, it's possible.
Who just leaves you on?
Yeah.
Chatly 500 even. I can say. Like what I imagine about 500 ka morung.
And Your Honor, Mr. Pastor gave it to me. He gave it to me directly.
Do you confirm that, Mr. Buster? Can you give me that paper instead of like just showing me the paper?
I thought I gave it to you.
No, you showed me the paper.
Okay. See now, this is
Officer Mix.
You are showing me still, you're not giving me.
Yeah, I think it's because it's not my document, it's his document. So I can't give it to him. Yes. So it's his document, he gave it to me.
10-4. Do you have the
Yo.
document, Mr. Buster?
That's fine. We can then proceed on with the cross-examining.
Like the stream chat, please.
Okay, I'll continue from here, Your Honor. Mr. Zuma. When I walked up to you right now, you said you remembered me. Where do you remember me from?
From your kitchen, the last time I came to visit. You're the lady who sells that amazing food, you know. I recommend it, guys.
Okay. Have you ever spent a day and night with me before?
Objection, Minier.
Hey, getting a bit personal. Are we getting to any point that feels like now we're going to the bedroom?
Your Honor, trust me, this is relevant.
Objection, Minier.
And I sustain the objection due to the fact that the plaintiff saying that it's relevant to the case. So, me, I don't really see how it can be relative because it sounds like it's personal. Can we continue on with the cross-examining?
Mr. Pastor, can you please answer my question?
The last time I remember, it was a long night, and I think we were drunk, or you made me drunk or something. That's the last
I
time
don't drink alcohol.
Yo.
Yeah, but
We
you
never
showed
took
me,
any alcohol.
You showed me your places there, and your Bahamas and what. You said I must try this shot.
Bahama.
Once I took it, I can't remember anything after that.
And
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, but you basically confirming that you know me and we spent a night together before.
That is true.
So do you remember handing me a certain document? The one that you just viewed.
I remember giving you a file, but what was inside I don't remember.
Okay, you're basically agreeing that you did.
Sir? If it's the document you're holding, then alright. Yes.
The document is signed by you. Did you feel pressured to sign that document, sir?
Yes.
Who pressured you?
I can't remember. Remember was a command.
From Mr. Jamito.
It was not someone who spoke with their mouth. I remember hearing it from the law.
So you faked a document document. You're agreeing that you faked a document,
I was
Mr.
not.
Jamito.
I was not aware that it was fake at the time.
No, I was called as a witness.
So you are PD. Since when do you sign law firm document?
At the time, I was told as that temporary higher up, because at that time I was a higher up. I was a higher up at the time of the case, so I was called to sign a document, which I did.
I'm gonna need you to remember who forced you to do that. But Your Honor, I don't have any more questions. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Duck. Do you have any follow-up questions for the witness?
10 for minutes. Mr. Basta Zuma.
Yes.
I'm going to ask you about the Kuku Besta, ne? Me, myself, and I.
All
So, asking you, Miner, how well do you know me, Miner? How well do you know the Kuku Besta?
I would give it a 7 out of 10. That's how well I know it.
Do you know
Please don't flirt with the witness.
I'm not flirting, Miner. I'm asking if
Heban.
About my reputation, Miner, in PD, Miner. Am I known as corrupt? Mr. Omega 2, am I known as corrupt, bad, a cop that is a shit cop, sorry to say shit in the name of the Lord, in your presence, the Lord. But yeah, I'm a shit cop. How well do you know me? How am I known, Miner?
All I can say is you fear Hartfall, and you're not someone I can regard as a cop. I can't say that word myself, but yeah, I wouldn't say you're someone who's on the wrong side of duty.
10-4, Miner, would you say that I'm a good cop or a bad cop?
You are a good cop.
Would you say that I'm corrupt or I'm straight?
You are straight.
So tell me, Miner, how well do you know Mr. Skellem Jones?
Also, 7 out of 10.
Tell me about him that we don't know.
Mr. Skellem is a good man. He's a good man. I know his past life in the impound, but everything law-wise, I am not aware. In fact, that day was my first interaction with him under his job as a lawyer. So the most I can say is he's a good man from what I know before he joined the law. Everything after the law, I know nothing of.
So since all you know his past life and his past job and his career, what is it that you can tell us about him? Like his lifestyle, how he used to live, how he used to operate, talk to me.
All I can say is he's a changed man. Hence why his parents named him Skellem. They knew that he will grow to be something that will, put horror in the streets.
You're still not answering my question, Miner.
What I'm basically saying is crime is inevitable with him. It was there, but it was under a curtain. And as I said, he is a changed man, though. This was before the law firm.
How do you know that he's a changed man? Because that day was your first interaction with him as a lawyer.
Everything that happened thereafter, every interaction that happened between me and him was little. Or there was little to no interaction between Mr. Skellem and I after he got his law job. He's been a busy man ever since.
So how do you know that he turned into a good man, like you said? You just said that Mr. Skellem just turned into a good man. He's a changed man. How can we confirm that he's a changed man if you just interacted with him for less than 5 minutes, Miner?
I believe if you get appointed to the law and you're someone who wants to be for the law, then you are definitely a changed man. He may have tattoos on his face, on his arms, everywhere, but the fact that he chose to stand with justice says a lot about where his mindset is right now.
So those are speculations.
I think they speak for themselves.
Speculations, right? So I would say, speaking on the tattoos, Miner, This is a statement. Me as a police officer for more than a year now, people that have face tattoos and gang tattoos are people that are not allowed to work in the government. As I know this, Your Honor, people with face tattoos, people with neck tattoos are not allowed to work under the government. Am I right or wrong, Mr. My Honor?
That's correct. They will be hired most probably, but then asked to remove them. Yeah, it's not allowed.
So it seems like Mr. Skellem didn't remove his. But anyway, let's move to the next point.
No, are you referring to his appointment as a lawyer?
He still didn't
Keep in mind that he's working for a private entity and that he does not work for the government.
So, Your Honor, you're telling me that him working for whatever that you say he was working for is allowed to have face tattoos?
I don't know the policies within the law firm that he works for.
Honorable lawyer. Back to the tattoos, Miner. Me as a police officer of more than five years, Miner. I know that a person with face tattoos and gang tattoos are people that have been in and out of prison, people that belong to certain gangs. Don't you think, Miner, this is a little bit too strange that a man that is accused that has a bad reputation, bad tattoos, is it okay for him to represent the law?
Is your question based to me?
Stand for Miner as a judge, Miner.
Yeah, as a judge, we do not judge people based on their appearances, whether they are appointed as a government official or private entity. Looks can be deceiving. I too have tattoos on my body, so not on my face though, but you can't say that because I've got tattoos on my body that I'm a criminal or I've been to prison before. So your speculation right now is null and void.
10-4. Mr. Bastazuma. I'm gonna ask you this. Did you and Miss K2 only exchange files that day?
Do you have any questions?
10-4, Mynheer.
Objection. What? Objection, Your Honor.
Can you ask the question again?
I'm asking if him and Miss K2 they only exchanged documents that day, and she said objection. Was there more to that night?
Is that question to Mr. Zuma?
10-4.
Negative. There was nothing more.
So, from what I got, she took you from her kitchen, took you to Bahamas, a liquor store, a shop that sells liquors, and made you drink our shots and whatever.
Objection, speculation, Your Honor.
Speculation.
Speculating on what grounds?
That is not what happened. Where is he getting this information from?
Let me tell you guys what happened. So that night, it was my second encounter with Mrs. Capon, and all that happened was I was given a lovely tour of her businesses and her property.
So it was a tour date?
All. It was not a date. It was not a date. It was a... It was just a normal night between two people.
10-4. Explain more, Mynheer.
We were just trying to understand each other from a standpoint of being, friends, rather than anything to do with this case or the law. Hence why I said I did lend her over a file, but I didn't know what document was inside. Whatever she found is what she found.
So, when you took that tour, you were off duty, wasn't it?
I was off duty 10-4, Mynheer.
So how do you have a PD document while you're off duty? It doesn't make sense. I thought we had a locker there by PD. So how do you have documents while you're off duty, Mynheer?
As I said, that file, I remember having it, but I don't remember checking. I don't remember what was inside the file. Mynheer.
Did she ask for it or did you just give it to her?
She did tell me about her job here by the law firm, and I ended up lending her a file, just showing my citizenship and my job. But to the latter, I did not know that it had that specific document inside. So it was basically her saying she's a lawyer and she would like to work for me, which was something I was keen for, and then sending her my papers, that being, you know, my information, who I am, where I work, and all of the rest. That specific document that has put me in the situation was unfortunately in there as well.
10 for Mynheer, that is fair. Can you give me the conversation of how it led there? Can you give me a quote unquote what she said?
As I said, the last thing I remember was her telling me about her job and telling me she can, you know, protect me, she can, you know, defend me. And I exchanged that information.
Hey man, hey, I go break, man. Hey, what is it?
And for Mynheer, I have no more questions for this witness.
Yeah, Mr. Tupoko. Ms. K or Mr. Skellam, do you have any follow-up questions for the witness?
Nothing from our side, sir.
Mr. Zuma, you can step down. We appreciate your time.
Thank you, Mynheer.
There you go. Best. Narnya break, man. Kalorel ka. Yar.
Before we proceed, we're going to call the next witness now. Do you have another witness?
Can I talk to you and the lawyer understand?
You can approach.
Can I approach now?
Oh, that's what the lawyer say. Can I approach the stand?
Miss K2, please approach the bench.
Okay.
But this cop came to my house looking.
Maybe she doesn't listen to me. Mynheer. Can you tell her to approach
I'm
the stand?
coming.
What is she fixing her pets?
Yo.
What is she
That's
fixing?
mean. That's mean.
Yeah, no problem.
That's very mean, sir.
I'm not here to nurse your feelings, ma'am. Anyway, Mynheer. Then for Mynheer. You see, my client is very hungry, and as you can see, the court is also tired, Mynheer. Can we reschedule the next trial? Yes, to the next trial. 10-4, Mynheer. The 10th is still fine for me. Yeah, the 10th is still fine for me.
That's fine by me, sir. Yes.
Thank you, Mynheer.
Thank you everyone for coming to the courthouse today. The court will be adjourned until the next trial date, which will be the 10th of February at 10 p.m.
That officer there representing Kid Matlala is not the one who came knocking that
Josh,
let's
step up.
You want to also be a witness to the case?
No, I thought I'm too involved.
Let's go, Mynheer.
Next time we're going to jail.
They were just involving me to something that I'm not part of.
So you see the two lawyers that...
Are you cat?
Er get a briefcase, yeah.
No,
Brief him, Mario. Evan.
Sama.
Arsa.
Matlala.
Sir?
You good?
Yeah, man.
You want us to speak, but we still want us to speak.
Yeah, but now I'm heading to my place. I wanna refresh.
Alright, so no problem. You'll talk to me then.
We're going back to PD radio, no?
Yeah, I'm going back to PD radio.
Sure.
Yeah, you text me away.
Sir.
PD is registered back to radio 1.
A itse re tee go support-a yo.
Ntshe.
A itse a se monate ke monate.
Ntshe.
Mara le monate ke monate. Bona. Matla.
I don't know.
Monneteng boss.
Hello, mamas.
Hi. My badge is still there.
I took maybe go mama.
Hello, man. My friend is greeting you there. Why?
Go mama, maybe go.
This message here doesn't want to let me get search, yeah?
Is K2?
Anak.
Emon naro nombyala mliko kae.
Ah, jo kote fedile lo. Kote fedile ne.
Yeah, naro nombyala. Hey.
So.
Ntshe.
E fedile kote.
Yeah.
Ema mna mburi busete da.
Liko kae.
Underground what dile bereki make shop o mumchawo.
So lira ba.
Aro na vyala, jwaro na vyala, ai.
Go kae.
Bereki arebo diwana. Ereke buza touchline, ita buza ni. Ereke usendele location ya muka. Sha.
Apartment ta kae go guys. Ke bona ba ngana apartment ta.
Look. Look.
Sure.
Joina radio ila contato.
Unaite fu.
Le bon mapurisa la nanya kon tata.
Sure.
Tinza.
Are mo Bahama mo. Akizuru Bahama mo.
Emo ka yaki. O tla ntshetela location o le da. Re ke go nna go share something.
Sure.
Chale petrol. Naro no ba. Ai. To tsenya mahata. E di khoto khota nna ke sa ya khoto. So.
Arbolele mo radio 15.15 ano tla mo location go romeletseng yona.
15.15.
Yeah.
Sure. Agigo. Set up we. Yeah, 01.
Up to my location. Post out 170.
Nalman.
Iwan. Iwan, kintu mo di maruf.
Oh, di maruf.
Yeah.
Sure.
170 ne.
fihlile Bentley. Ah, fuck, I can't cash. Shit. 170.
Urala. If I kidnapile, umbude mo. Shit.
¿Qué tal la cadena? Sí. ¿Quién tú haga eso?
Okay. Jamitongobeni. Oh, go guy. What? What?
¿Qué mo gina mo chat?
Minarwala ise.
Jo, itla go di apartment eng ka pele. 7216.
Aro kopana go apartment ya hao he.
Yeah, 7216, 7.
What?
7216.
10-4.
Sure. Ke mo 8087.
Yeah, ma re be di lo tse mo ntlong and then ke tla 8087.
Sure.
Kita nak kain. Kita mau kenang mau chat. Emang gue nau.
Yeah.
Depan saja murah.
Arwah slow. Agak garage mo ko dito. Sudah lambat.
Mana?
Sorry, Ravi angkat letih lah nobel langkah.
Letih fin.
Kakan theno yang ke kualing.
Tima ko lo. Orai la askelem.
Ya.
Emang sense nago se iba lebih lah askelem Jones. Dan nana sense di try like obla lo tawre. Ejo ki admit like for safety ya ga lo na and then cause no so nagales kelem ke nyakot ken sama thate because like na bam pizza as lawyer nane nyaka zaga fela
Sharp ka thalanya, but then we have to sacrifice something. We have to sacrifice the party or wena we impersonate le lawyer because ndarinya kon tsari taba mfano kinto tsantsi belele or nda pila ndarinya kon tsari taba mfano la I got a body cam available who visited that as a lawyer because the Kenya considered Mother boy. So you were deep undercover. You were deep undercover to the extent that you couldn't even trust the lawyers to settle for the truth. So that's why you didn't say a thing for the lawyering, and that's why we have the papers forged. The papers were forged by the Google best. Or le eo le re ka e ntsha, but dipampiri tsa damane di a bontsha hore we writing. But other than that, pastor le ena nkare o nyaka hore o isa le ena because
Basta yena o itse o mpotsa story re re jo ngwana ra jo mo file marao jo so mara difisa
tshwantsa bolelo wa bona ke re pastor o nyaka hore o fisa
basta jo o to tshwe
basta tshwantsa bolelo re da ka no file marao so that the proof e tshwereng e ska ba ba re keng e be irrelevant. That proof it becomes irrelevant because why? O mo tshepisitse marago for pampiri tseo, so dipampiri tseo di ba irrelevant and dipampiri tseo e batabatsa gore yena o dirile because da ke tena mo tshepisitse marago.
o mo file
Ke ntwe ke bolela o aya
basta o mpudise straight ra mfanna ngwana la mona I died for nyash ke re yo wena sana
basta ra mo fisa I died for nyashe le rena ra age
di ko se re mo le batse ba nka nyashi jo ke lokile go loyi ko di ke lokile go loyi
ya we lokile
so
yeah so jo ke reka phone no sone one text ka phone e mpya a re sa mara bolele re ntse re shopo
erke double check ke lokile go amfana ara bone ka litho le lwana mara mo re mo mpie
and the next yeah
right
next if you have a bad reputation as a if you have a bad reputation kamara law it doesn't work bia matsogo fatshe o press the X bia matsogo fatshe ya
baka se impoundi
ai o mo nnete ya re tsamaya ra era bo
le thuko ile mo matlong ao ko le mo nnete ntse ke kreye
and the next ya
no mane mo nnete bo mthalletse mona bo le France mesh a go bone
ke irile fa ngana re ya kae go di phone
Nzaipe. Man. Jo le no khote la khanda ina break. Ker ke khote be anya o thoka break bra.
Ke ko le be anya o thoka
khoto. Aina break.
Ya o thoka
break.
Date
break.
Chapo le time tebe na le jury and jury ba no a itse masepe tlo bolela gore ntho e irang ke masepe.
Judge le tlo re botsa re yena a judge batho le no la di tattoo wa fata mang ke manda man
am digital den le go kae a ke tutu ba go tsa man ke na digital den e la ba re send phone di wa twa
are go magale yo ashi tama ya ola le na ngare to mo le batsa o
man judge bo next time re ya ka bomb ha re ka lose case re planta bomb
ko emana le nna ne ke di plantile no
no di plantile
ke plantile di bomb mo bona ke le so montsha How daddy? Eban.
Siapa pergi phone aga mara glove box. Saya suara dah yo jam mana.
Kan lo wena o ben ngwa o sampo sa ka thaya bana. Wena o bethile tsa go esco. O bethile tsa go EPWE.
Ya. Baba jana tu bia.
What's normal?
Yo, I don't have enough cash ma pate di video. Mfa chale.
Bokai.
Harga check करके bokai. Mfa tao. Mfa tao.
Harga kita entah kamera glove box.
Ya, itu entah kamera glove box.
Hello, Mayor.
Hello. How are you? No. Asking. Only PD. Hey. No. Oh, Lord. This is my 8 minutes, 9 minutes.
Ay, twin. Ay, setup eh.
Ke manta man.
What do you mean?
O ke PD ko le.
Kya? Mate twin. I don't think. Okay. Erke dil chete hai. Dil tari chete mo.
Dil ta ben. Zarin.
Yeah. Or right. Oh, bula di messages. So right click amon na then delete chat. So right to rewrite alivito laga as kele. Gaza shifu na anya ko restart.
Ah, hey, gas bere gagi.
Delete.
Merge sih. Kes Callum Jones.
Yeah, Callum Jones.
Inside.
Boto feliz.
Tô feliz.
Ganor kering.
Tima ko lo.
Ganor kering.
No, ere.
Ubita man Callum usual.
On bisa man. Jami. Ere. Ere kari jo. Like tretenya na jo. Lagu. Kari. Ere. I'm not going down alone. Ne? Wangutos.
Yeah, Raul.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going down alone. And then, ibe message yung one. And then, Roira is like, I send us dilo sa dinch.
Yung mga karne, chat.
Fit the case, I'm trying to help. Like what? I just wanted man. I just wanted man. Banyak ka ma'am ganun gutuso. Ang fana niya karatuon mo sa'yo. Haka. Inside. Oh, mon nedi. Yeah, so.
What reply or ba?
Nagi reply, go reply. After the thread, after the message niya na C5. Which in no ring. Tak mo Yeah, I just wanted the man. So I don't want this to end what like again end the bed di ding. Lagi end the bed. Because if it does, I'ma make sure one of us is dead. I don't want this. I can type something. Yeah, then. I'm not a criminal. Okay, well, I'm not a criminal. I get screenshot there, mo. Hey, must have screen. Janganlah something else. Sorry, inshallah. If they say call a person now, we're going to
Also, with the Ginyagang mat. And I reach again Legion in it, like go to from Kumara around.
Eh?
Wemele, Kerganaga, Wemele Skele, kill the picture the Bilka Taronia.
Aye.
Eh?
It was
Why?
Araton no in contact. I got like a against.
Retaria Lupino away.
What religion?
I guess so.
Mate bakar go phone le mo mo being
Some phone.
ah wa kera like wena o di conversation ning tse ka e bakar ke phone le motho amara ba ka se
Ah, well, I have phone.
o re be go flight mode
Ah, wa ga itima phone matana. Na ga itima phone. Wakana ba khathele ba tsenya dikoloi tsa ka. Ba tsenya reputation ya ga ya go khathele.
ai so
So di shabu di threat tse wa ka.
ya so sharp
Eh. Oh.
Hi, which better and also delete these messages before I kill you. Tima ko loy mat. Ay wana na chalete wait.
Pan 5 million ka marapot.
Cho. Monete. Na ke station itse mna ko bank ke mna ke setse ka ma 50,000 na o tadi. A no mfana ba o takala bo tsele na mfana le rile gore motho a chaye le na mfana ha o sana chelete tsenang.
I told you hore ntsha motho moane. Ha o fetsa mfa motho moane la go fe wa ka.
Be ang kan jore ntsha motho moane. Before I kill you.
Ajo, go budi ka re wena o mpimpia ka ya go strateng and you know people who are doing illegal things. The family gang, you know the family gang it has drugs.
Mar di drugs tse mona ba re tsetsa ke nna ke re.
Is anyone there?
Hengantsha bona. Yeah,
I can hear
hengantsha bona mona ka te ke ntsha le. Wantlala.
Get a life, weirdo.
Di drugs tse ba di tsia go nna bra. Tse le re nna ke di stoka go khathela.
So weird.
Khathele ke bo touchline.
Ntse.
So re ra ba go le so.
Better die there before I kill you. I bola go dimo. Wa di denge bola go I'm not a criminal. iPhone. iPhone ya ito se. Ay, so rina bang big boss. Remela di 10.
Yeah, re kana try mela di 10.
Remela di 10 and nugget la ya load. I know. Tala ya lo big boss. Kita ito yung crime free no agar. Kita ito.
Yeah.
Ay so. Ratlari. Era na kono abya alat.
Oh, no había.
Yeah.
Ana flopo.
Kan ay kulo ya isa nya isa kuno. Kisa kuno.
Pergi aku pilihnya.
Hade.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ban kira hade maruh baditin.
Siapa anak?
Ada so. Ya biasa lo kamera. Apa biasa.
Good news, I'm pregnant again.
Good news.
Fine. The tax credit alone pays for the first 3 months of diapers. And I've narrowed the band down to 2 guys.
Remember. Utaka number ta beriksa number ta damane ne.
Sama.
Ha ba ka phone la number eo.
Sure.
O la te phone o bule ka mara phone buku di phone ne. Koro save e kana to save bo skelem jive bo skelem juntu ba bi.
Yeah, I know so.
Sure.
Egilan sakit tamu. Ish. Say. Amar man ne di. Sama no ya nakati nalan nagar be house. Ay. Tutsoy nya. No, tutsoy. Say. Say. Tutsoy nya say. Ah, exact live go TikTok. TikTok itu sih. TikTok live ada. Joga no role ko kai finish.
Jo hizi ino yako kwasa wanaka kwasa.
Nalmango kwasa.
Unaleta shuleni.
So ko irango tasline.
Kia ku kwasa nu. Re tla bona re dirang.
Mfounela ho fitla.
Sharp.
Eish. House for me. Ya ka tlo e betha. Ya, ebile re ke e bethele majita house. O teng Lily. Una ba monsare ona. Ejo.
So,
Ke no betha house warming once.
yeah?
Ke no betha house warming once le majita.
O ka nna betha mo invite batho mo ngwana ka le nna ke tla invite batho.
Ntse. Ai, o sa o invite bo Freddy go mang batho ba go sa utlwaneng le bona.
Ke pila ke meeting o mo wa ditsotsi o. Ntse.
Ana so.
Yeah.
No hai batho ba float abian. Ana batho mara ke khosa. Right. Sure.
Dangerous man.
Wirala.
Wa etso go kae?
Ke mo lejeng.
Ntshang ka da.
Ona ke re ke tla shopong ya ha bana. Ke rekile ntlo ke re ke nya go ya betha house o minyana.
Re betana go mo.
Eh?
Re betana go ma.
No, esikhala.
Ora tsombutsa ke teng.
Ai na so.
Sure.
Hey.
Ngwanaka.
Jinjang.
Matlala.
Wirala.
Sha.
Wait.
Hello. Eh, mfana mara ngara tlo lekela di rim tse silver le nna tsa go bona. Ene wa dropa ya ka bra ke rama bulala.
Ara lokela suspension. Tshwanetse re lokela suspension ile.
Jami to busy wa re ka nkere.
Mna ke mpya.
Ntse.
Ana le zaka.
Mana kana ni kisa wa di fele wena.
Nna ke betha ka case ding mona tsa o tlala mapage o feta bible.
Jami to bile koloi mo ke bona rona le.
Ka bona mfana. Yo.
Mna ngwana. Wa o dadi.
Demona di case.
Au dadi.
Mona ka mo.
Ngara to
Mfana etla ka ma ko botsa.
Wena phelo nya go ndisa ka mo mena ke ka mo.
Kwano.
Salon sa taba ka maphodisa tsa o tshepa.
Takwano. Tawang sa bashaya.
Sara o irai.
Ko sa tabile ka mapodisa ni yona.
Salon sa taba o berekisana le dikugo ke re mfana bosa hai. Una ne rakiti mfana.
Manya takwa.
Nke khala ke motho bile tlho eno ba khathele yo sala le mang. Ene ke bona ba ntshapelang ka mothalo wa ntsha.
Bueno, you message sa with cartel braya ka o itse re madi a ile.
O reng?
Re ifu mesa le cartel beao madi a ile. Zaka ile ngwanaka. A sa re ke sa motho.
Mona ke tshwere plug tsa ura crystal ke tshwere plug tsa ura dibatse ke tshwere mona. Lena
mothalo.
Wa man mothalo mona.
Mona bula koloi mona.
Kana ke uti koloi bra.
Mona Jami to loko botsa something mfana.
Mpotsa ka phone mtypele.
Omthe
benge mo.
No, mfana nasora ke msepa ke munyaki mo pela.
Ke wena wa hafa ku.
Kutlile usuile kwa khoto kwa.
Mona.
Mbola da le laisitse pala.
Boy, next is ke reng da ka mo di kukulane sentela di message o mbotso re ke reng mona a ke charge re ke tlo reng.
ape no le confident mola ba re o teng touchdown re ya ka tla represent nna ke re bolela nnete ba utsa ko sena fetore ila mo Mabulala ba mbola se ba
Ke fana brapita.
ntse Mabulala mbola mfana
meeting wa ditsotsi
mana Mabulala
bolela
ba re ke drop nyana ko le and then o smash
Wa patela mara yena di-bill o Mabulala.
wa di patela
nna ke sokodise
Gape ke kwile mo court ba re ke scammer.
mona ntloela melusi mona o ntloela pila o la go mo lebatsa o lo ene ke motse ya best
Aye, Joe, number ho yena nke siva, yi senda hape number. ID 16146. Number wa gitso etsa langa yona mat.
ene di mane ra mo founela ena ara a etse
tsepe le le nyaka le ngri mara e ke le nyaka le ngri
Sha.
mara braga wa ira mo o ira ba Mabulala wena mona o rato ira di la fetsa go botsa gore ke ikeke mona go ike ke ya mang e bano Marlo ne pote ile yo ke ya mang e Kathleen
Mangane nna.
o monne teng mona Mabulala
Maula ya be raspan.
Mabulala
Wa lapa o nyaka batho ba mthusa. Sa dire mkrela batho mat.
Mama Mabulala.
Mabulala tsibila mfana
Wa fanya.
Ga do nyaka eng ka e Matlala.
mana ke nyaka smash ke nyaka o change khala ke nyaka o dropa mona motho ke bolela lena nkara
Nyaka o thala jang.
ele sa nyaka di client le bolele
Nyaka e jang.
O la dile dilo ka stage ta mana.
Nna ke ya ko pidigila ta zaka ya ka pension.
okay man kanti o atran
Ke na Mabulala nka.
oh nna ke ba ntlinti kan ke bolela wena ba nna ke Mabulala
Clinta shule ke na tsa fetso tsamaya no.
Mabulala kan o le dretse ba no wena ai wena mo
bra granya giwa kana wena o radlala kan mo.
ala le tshuile lena ne ai lena nna ke rata batho ba o tshuwa and le festere le thubile le bana
Mfana
nna ke rekise di drugs ne ba re ke rekise di drugs
Ejo sharp next time go bolela mo pela tin mfana o ntse tsa bile mfana go botsa Antsha wena ona hana nna ke sa tabile wena but then ke sevile wena
bua mona tsatsi le la maphodisa a tlo dira ka ra o itse re diralang ko wena o ba botseng ne le tlhantse le plan lona le boss a o dikuku wa mpotsa le ena o tsena confess
ke na le meeting yana
goreng
Flo ha o ntlhalohanye ne re dama nna nyaka bosandile le ano le sente
no space left on device adi cosa che ragazzi dai denga o sai cacini cosa che ragazzi stenare Angamusepi na touchline. Azanga tshaba touchline mo life. Tlinti ke yena mona thantseng ona ya wa bona le tlinti le madanong. Ke batho ba lo reng nna ka ba tshepa. Tlinti le madanong fela. Lantshwara chat. A re no ifetsa mo chat. W stream WRP chat re tla ifetsa. Mara pholo e jo go morao ya ses. E ke pamfe ntwe jo. Amana la ibona mardi demon. Doesn't your PC have an M2 port for memory? What do you mean? Nakithalwana. Yeah, I'll buy a new SSD. WRP chat, W stream, WRP chat. Today I did like 4 or 5 streams. It's a crash PC. But nonetheless, W stream chat. Inside.
Shopper ya PD.
Ano shopper ya PD?
Aka crash. Aka crash. Mabulelo kae?
Come on. Genau. Ja, ke sende se bile mo ke re.
Le festare le braga le. Ona le la se tu.
Oh, le. Jona le shopper ya PD mo ntle mola.
Ke lebeletsa a bone ke tso change.
Shopo.
Yeah, chop.
Chopper.
More. Jo, Matlala. Nyoko ela madda ka tele e.
I think
200 a a ga ile bala.
Nga le nna ga o le bala. Le jo zaka ka wa bona jo. A ke tshware monna no. Na ke re wa bona ba re ida dikolong.
Romela.
E go mata. E mana tla bona le screenshot mo go bontsha re ke na le bokae.
A o jisel.
E mana. Le re tima di drugs.
Sha potla.
Are go bontsha.
Ke re sha poka tata. Awe. Nyako la Xavier da go tongo. Senda mo go. Senda nyongo.
Tantse ke reka bo dikoloi. Ka mo.
Wise guys a ya no o patela lemba.
Mina ke investile mo dikoloing. Until ke bo wa braga.
Rekisa go le one mo so go patela.
Tla ke rekisetsa wena.
Efeng.
Lemplela.
Efeng.
Tsia
Mfa Bentley.
Wafa. Ke fetsa station la no mna ikhonale.
Tiza mona.
Mona.
Ichibile ntwela mona.
Bukai.
Nah, ma 100 and something ga yi.
Ikhonale mna re ka ya right.
Ke buka yone dai.
800.
80. O ka lela 80 mona o Matlala.
Joshua, Jamito wa sha dikia mo.
Do you know who you are?
Dikia tsa.
Tsa Porsche.
Do you know who you are?
Are go le o mfa bokae?
Ko fa 100. Thank you wena go ta Zagil. No go fa 100 mo di.
No man. The lowest thing guys yang ka o kolota mna ke 400 for bin.
Ke nyako senya koloi e kono ilukisa. Kere ke nyako reverse ke itulise kono ilukise mo 100%.
Mangudo.
Ya ka uto reng?
Kere the lowest thing ka o fam Bentley ka yona ke 400,000 because ka o kolota.
Mata. Na ke re mfe yona ka 100.
Ai khona.
Umfa yona bi go fa 100.
Ke rekile 800,000 after ke rekisa 100,000.
Emona Bentley la.
For that ntsele we ditse bokae? For that ntsela kana tsona on its own ke 800,000.
Enge.
That ntse go feeling tse 200.
Au.
Ntse tsone ka botsone ke 800,000. So nna go fa 100,000 mo di mo fa kolo.
Ai khona.
Ke win for wena ntse.
Ai khona le. Mina kita ipanda 200 alina mina ai khona le. Ku fe Bentley mina ka 100,000 ai khona.
Or disa sude ya go Mr Price.
Oh, ke ya ko Mr Price ke tse.
Makadlala mfana yona kuyona.
Mina wayibona ina le dayideng ya USA mina ke itsere ko Trump dide. Ke itsere ko Trump.
Pensa ka motrambuka bola kuyona.
Ntshe.
Ya siya Ramaphosa yena mukhawe. Ikinela Ramaphosa ne ka bena le mukhawe.
Ntshe, ne ya Trump. Ntshe.
O mo nnete. Bona ile ya Mantash. Gweda Mantash.
O itse la ke go kae?
mapodisa a tsamaile
Ana re nka mo tsaya ke Brian.
Damani nga Brian na o mo tsena nu ha ona na.
Mona se nna ne ke touchline re ke butsise ba re sute o ke go exam sena.
La ngapela e suri sidi ya go kae.
Wa isini zamse.
Se nna ke dimana se nna.
Isini zamse ha o joka se ni zamse. Witse re motla sa mazimba.
Kotla sa ditapiti. Witse re kotla sa ditapiti.
It's a yellow say, I'm saying. Awa.
Ai Matlala sa mpola bjana bra.
But
sa go ngapela.
That's an kacha so.
Mina ngikhata peti.
Ke nkacha ka limu.
Acha agali.
Nkacha touchline.
Mano ngikhata peti mfana akukuthi mara.
Ajo zampitsa akala damani
Ajo ngifile bili.
Aro go kae?
A go motrongo nga kitsa kana etsang go motse.
O ira ngo trongo.
A ja go nyaka pick up. A re motseni.
Re tsana mang?
Xavier.
Le nna mona la itse re khote tsa la itse case tsa mabya mona batho ba la tshwanelo ba kopela bona bra.
Mfana mara na nyako bona dilo jo nka ba itshollotse ya Because mfana ba ntse re nna last ke na le Mofero le Freddy le Mabula.
So wena o mpotse jo wena o fila bjang ka Freddy anya go a bola ile dima a thuntse dima.
Mang Freddy? Freddy thuntse mang?
Mabula.
Ke Mofero.
Oh Mofero. Ya ne ba berekisana.
Ya ke re motho ile tlhole rona.
Freddy.
Ena Mofero. Ra mo reminder modimo.
Ya mara ke ra hore ba re ke mang Freddy K na berekisana le yena.
Freddy K. Umbitsa mpimpi yo.
Ba berekisana batho ba.
Ba berekisana tamen.
Freddy K wena o nyaka tlho ya wena. Bona yena le Mofero ba o planela.
Isi nna Mofero mpotsa gore nanya go sata wena a go setsitse koloi ya hae. So a sata damane ka mistake.
Wa ya. Na confess le nna ne ke motshwere hostage ta mna nga o sendela picture no re mo jisa makaka.
A go bo.
Ka tamana.
Mna o tladi na o ngitse ke nna mama. Le nna ne daling. Le nna ne daling ngitse la ngutlela.
A go.
Tsere picture ja makaka straight.
Ona le picture ja makaka. Nsendelo. Kenya go bona.
Re go sendele ngwe touchline.
Ja makaka. Pe posta mo.
Ai, wa bona o shashalatsa bana. Ai. O sa mo sendela touchline.
Mona mfana umuntu ntide mo.
Ai, o shashalatsa no tlo re jambisetsa.
Mona.
O tlo mo
go nyaka live a ke mo tlhoko o mo jambisetsa ke mo nyaka live.
O tlo hopola tamano le betse o sa ira bjao.
O ka ke tseka maburu a street.
Ka ke bole.
Amena sa sendela Matlala ke shashalatsa. O ipost.
Dia boya jo.
Ke mo rotetse media matanana mo rotela ra mo kakela jo go re bona mo. Ntshe ba re le nthong mo. O itse ra irang ra botsa media matanana ra mo thokele he ka tswa ra mmolaya. Emon na ke mpia mo.
Matlala ka maga
Nna ke Matlala ka maga re ya ga eno.
A go tsentse ya Xavier.
Lo mtse a le bisa ga.
Mona na ke go mona.
Ma wa tswana jo ke e tlo ba tsina mino o sha o tla le tsi.
A re ngo nna kwa house warming nyana. A ona Porsche text line.
Batla pati eh?
A una Porsche.
Ke yone e
Ebile
reila
mabulala.
Oh.
Why is it ke phela ke donate fe?
Ish.
Eish.
Mola.
Matla.
Matla. Mthai.
Nzabe.
Nosnoro mangareng. Ere ke phake Porsche.
Ma Joe.
Eh?
O bile ke ya ding.
Engi?
Ba ke etiga.
o ipakelang
Kenya go ire.
Eish.
e pakelang
Wanya go re ke tla weletsa yone.
Yeah?
Ke go nya ka we re ke tla weletsa yone, ke tla tshwarela yone.
No, enough. Ke tsunami, bra.
Yeah, 5 months nya.
Ere ke phake Porsche.
Alright. Wena o phake wena.
Eish.
Go! Ba tlo ntse pitch. Mabulala. Ambethe picture mo montle. Ajo.
Sharp because hey ho tla da e tlo tshwenya. Sure.
Tla mfutle picture ka montle.
E re botle role mo.
Ya tla mpapaiša. Tla mpapaiša. Ere ke tšhume mao.
O nyaka bja?
Ere ke tšhume mao, ke tla go botsa. Eish. Iramba.
Oh, we bula tlhaloganyo.
Ntse.
Gatella age.
Hai, a ke nya go e bula tlhaloganyo. Mfutle mo ka pele. Ere ke phuze. Mfutle mo. O mano go khole go kae mo? Bia phone o intse ha mara mo. Ka pele mo go kra HP.
Ai ya, ya ke nne ka. Ai, phuti pia bila bana.
Wa mfutla mo best.
Lebella ka side, lebella ka side, lebella ka side.
Le tlan romela jo ai re tla ditse after tsunami jo it was sweet.
Mamo. Lebella nyana ka.
Go kae?
Lebella mona.
Ka pele bra.
Ka o tla rolo wa ge.
Ngek. Dawan di graphic tsa mo di bile kwa altralo mo le bone ke tswa bya che ish ambola touchline ngara ke crashitse